Welcome back to Auto Garage, the place where timeless design meets tomorrow's technology. Today, we're looking at something truly special, a 2026 retro-futuristic luxury coupe that brings the soul of classic automobiles into the modern era, wrapped in breathtaking metallic blue elegance. At first glance, this car feels like a rolling piece of art. The deep royal blue paint instantly captures attention, reflecting light like liquid metal. It's not just a color, it's a statement. A reminder that luxury doesn't need to shout to be noticed. The long sculpted hood flows seamlessly into wide, muscular fenders, creating a powerful stance that commands respect even when standing still. The front design is where nostalgia and innovation shake hands. A tall vertical chrome grille pays tribute to the golden age of automobiles, yet it's reimagined with a clean, modern finish and subtle illumination that hints at advanced technology beneath. The circular headlights maintain a vintage soul but glow with modern LED precision, delivering both beauty and performance. Move around the car and the craftsmanship becomes even more impressive. The side profile is smooth, elegant, and aerodynamic, designed not just to look good, but to glide effortlessly through the air. Chrome accents trace the body lines carefully, highlighting the curves without overwhelming them. The black multi-spoke wheels paired with whitewall performance tires are a perfect balance of classic charm and modern aggression. This 2026 concept isn't about copying the past, it's about evolving it. Every line, every curve, every reflection has been refined with modern engineering standards. The body panels are seamless, the proportions are perfectly balanced, and the stance feels low, wide, and confident. Step inside, and the experience transforms completely. The interior welcomes you with deep blue leather seats, stitched in crisp white lines that mirror the exterior's elegance. The dashboard blends classic round gauges with digital precision, offering a driver-focused layout that feels both familiar and futuristic. Chrome, brushed aluminum, and soft ambient lighting create a cockpit that feels luxurious without being overwhelming. Technology is integrated subtly. A modern touchscreen sits naturally within the dash, never disrupting the retro aesthetic. Everything feels intentional. Everything feels premium. This is not just a car you drive, it's a car you experience. From the rear, the design remains clean and powerful. Slim LED taillights stretch across the body, framed by polished chrome accents that echo the front grille's elegance. The wide rear stance reinforces stability and performance, reminding us that this beauty is more than just looks. What truly sets this 2026 retro-modern coupe apart is its philosophy. In a world racing toward minimalism and uniform design, this car dares to be emotional. It celebrates craftsmanship, heritage, and identity, while embracing the future with confidence. This is the kind of car that doesn't just turn heads, it tells a story. A story of where automotive design has been, and where it's going next. It's for those who appreciate history, but demand innovation. For those who want luxury with character, not just technology. At Auto Garage, we believe cars should make you feel something, and this one delivers that feeling in every detail. If you enjoyed this journey into retro-futuristic automotive design, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you think about this 2026 masterpiece.